Son of a bitch.
I'm putting a new subdivision called Beaver Hollow.
Guess who's coming to dinner? There's a voice that keeps us moving in time.
In every time that I crack, every tree that I climb.
In every town that I build, every thump of my tail. The pattern unfolds in every detail. The rhythm of nature keeps us working together in harmony. The rhythm of nature, the rhythm of nature, the rhythm of nature will be keeping time for all eternity. We won't miss a beat. The rhythm of nature.
I wish you would all just slow down a bit.
What I do next? There's too much work to be done here.
So
I'm
let's
still
get it
here.
straight right from the start.
Turtles are slow and owls are smart.
We're as different as night and day. But in the dark is clear, that's quite okay. Oh, the rhythm of nature keeps us working together in harmony. The rhythm of nature.
Unless it's too suffocating.
And the rhythm of nature will be keeping time for all eternity. We won't miss a beat.
In the rhythm of nature.
I'm only going to wait for the one coming out on the right. I can't do this anymore.
Where is a mute button when you need one?
My arms over here.
Listen, my brothers, the great and the small. We are nature's creatures, but we are not all. Others are coming. Change is in view. And what then will happen to me and to you? On one side of the forest, a village I spy. Indian fires, the wood smoke drifts high. And way over yonder, a settlement town. Such plowing and planting and trees coming down. These strangers are humans. They don't understand the nurture of nature, the lore of the
My
land.
arms.
But the wolf has a plan,
shaking.
and we'll carry it through. The wolf has a purpose, and the purpose is true.
Oh my god. I'm getting mad. Okay.
So we just wait here?
Of course we just wait. We've been called by the great black wolf. And when you're called...